Tools and Twisties. Hey, it's the Harbor Freight Weekend Sale, and I'm losing my voice edition. Harbor Freight's got a sale coming up. It's 7 days of inside track deals, and there's some pretty good ones. Let's go over them real quick. We tend to show real tools here, show you some of what you actually might be buying and show you some alternatives rather than just show you the flyers. But the 14-piece anti-slip sales wrenches are normally $130 on sale for $65, 50% off. It's this set right here. Really quite nice. They're nicely made, great polish. They have nice anti-slip design to them. They're a little bit of a long pattern wrench. I've used them a fair bit and I really like them. I think for comparison's sake, they're very much designed after the snap-on wrenches. This is a short version, but the snap-on regular versions or long versions would be very much the same. These are $65. I think $505, $510 for the snap-on, so clearly a lot less expensive. But you can see they're very much designed after the snap-on, more of the flank drive plus than the regular flank drive, but very nice wrenches. Another alternative would be something like these Right Grip 2.0s. Excellent anti-slip features in these. It has a much different sort of finish on it. It's more of a pebbled satin, but USA made, superb wrenches, lifetime wrenches. But $120 to $130, something like that. Probably a closer alternative would be something like these Craftsman overdrive wrenches. These were on sale for a long time for $50 for a set. They just went back up to 70. Maybe they'll come back down to 50. But basically, they're effectively the same price as the Icons. So it's a little bit of a grab, which one you prefer. The Craftsman has a 6-point box instead of a 12-point box. They both have pretty aggressive anti-slip. They're both long pattern wrenches. I'd say one difference is that the Icon is no skip 8 to 19, where one thing that irritates me about these Craftsman is it skips. It starts at 6, which you'll never really need. And then it skips 7, 8, and then it skips 9 and 11. So I don't love skips. But a good alternative, if you're not an Inside Track member or if you missed the sale for some reason, consider these Craftsman overdrives. I have them in both metric and standard, and these are available in metric and standard. The last one I'll compare it to is the USAG or USAG. These are beautiful wrenches. These are some of my favorites. I mean, they're not American made like the Wrights or the Snap-ons, but really wonderful wrenches, great anti-slip. Again, very, very similar to the RBRT wrenches. Good anti-slip design. So I rate this as a buy at $65. My guess is they'll sell out. So hopefully you'll get lucky and you'll be able to get them at your store. So what else do we have? Well, there's, whatever. Winches, who cares? Click torque wrenches, 1/2-inch click torque wrench Icon for $100. Not a terrible deal, not a bad deal, 1/3 off. But I prefer either a digital torque wrench or a split beam. Now this is a snap-on 1/2-inch split beam, but Icon makes a nearly identical copy of this 1/2-inch split beam, and I much prefer them to the micrometer style, especially in a 1/2-inch size. So it's not on sale. So hopefully Icon split beams and Icon digital torque wrenches will go on sale soon. You consider picking one of those up. Next up is these Chief air hammer chisels. I don't think these are USA made. I talked in one of my previous videos about the bolt breakers by Chief and their Mayhew USA made bolt breakers, and they're a great deal. I think these are Taiwanese. I'm not sure. If you go look at these, check the packaging, check the country of origin. If they're USA made, grab them. If they're not, skip. Little step drills, sure. If you don't already have 3 sets of them like I do, buy them. What's next? 3/4-inch torque wrench, $300. I have one application where I need 250 foot-pounds, and quite honestly, that bar is probably not long enough to do it. I use a torque multiplier to do it. So I think that's a skip as well. The Swedish wrench, $13. I think this is a buy. I don't use this thing a lot, But it's pretty interesting, and I hadn't used it at all until fairly recently, but they're really good if you need to grab onto something, especially something like round, like a control arm or something you're trying to hold a bar straight while you loosen a nut. It's very, very easy to get a really, really good grip on it. And, you know, these are, again, they're similar to a Knipex and a Snap-on version. Are they as nice? No. But 13 bucks, put it in your toolbox. If you break it, replace it. If you break it twice, throw it away and buy the Knipex or Snap-on version. So yeah, what else? We have Predator generators on sale, 20% off. By the way, this is the listing for the wrenches, 130 bucks. This is the listing for the S-Jaws, not on sale, 125 bucks on sale for, what is it, 65. This is on sale for 13. And on the generators, the only generator they have that really interests me, and I would probably buy it if it was in stock, is this new one, this 1150 tri-fuel. I'd love to have a generator like this that I could tie into my natural gas line and run on gasoline. And, you know, once a year or so, we get a power outage that's, you know, sometimes lasts a day or 2 days. And, you know, I can make do with some other ways of keeping power in the house, but this would be nice. I could run the house, you know, with everything I'd want with something like this. I like that it has a 50 amp 220, but it is out of stock everywhere near me. It's a new one. This one I haven't seen on sale for anywhere near as good of a deal. So if your store has it and you need a generator, maybe consider buying it. We also have a giveaway coming. We have the Vessel interchangeable blade screwdriver. We're going to be going through through March on this giveaway. We're going to give away a couple sets of these, one to a new subscriber and one to an existing subscriber. And by new subscriber, you know, if you're a new subscriber on any of my past few videos since I started this giveaway, you count as a new subscriber. So go ahead and put in the comments, you know, TNT new sub or TNT OG for, you know, someone who's been a subscriber for a while, and we'll give away these. I really like these Vessel screwdrivers. They're not terribly expensive, but the bits on them are quite nice. You know, I had a Klein break on me, and if you saw my other video, it's kind of, you know, Klein has really given me a hassle about replacing that's a $17 screwdriver. I'll throw it in the trash, but you know, you sell me something that breaks the first time I use it, you should take care of it, in my opinion. And they're not. But at any rate, the Vessel screwdriver giveaway, like and subscribe, and put a comment in mentioning TNT OG or TNT new sub, and you'll be online for that. We also have a video coming up. We're going to do a build out. We're going to do a build out of this purple chest right here with all Harbor Freight tools. US General service cart, Icon tools, Quinn tools, Doyle, you know, some Pittsburgh Professional. And we're going to see if we can put together a pro level box using nothing but Harbor Freight tools, and what it looks like, what it's missing if we do that, what it ends up costing. So yeah, let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in, when you want to see that. We have a sale coming up, a parking lot sale coming up, that's going to be all Harbor Freight, Icon, and Quinn sockets on sale for, I think, 35% off. So that's sort of the catalyst to this. I'll go over, at least for the initial video, all the Icon sockets and Quinn sockets that we're using for that build out. But otherwise, let me know in the comments what you think of these Icon wrenches. Do you already have them? Do you love them? You know, is it worth spending a little bit more or a lot more for something like the Wrights? Are you a Snap-on only? Don't mind spending 8 times the price. These Craftsmans are good. If you missed out on the recent sale, keep an eye out. But even at 70 bucks, pretty good deal. And again, these USAGs, I think they're 120 bucks, but you have to order them overseas and then pay to have them shipped in. So they're about 150 bucks shipped in. So, you know, double what these are. But man, they're nice. They're, you know, if you gave me a choice between these two, I'm going to take the USAGs. But that doesn't mean these Icons are pretty darn good wrenches. And for the price, you know, I think it's hard to beat them. So that is Tools and Twisties. Thank you for putting up with my very, very hoarse voice, and hope you score what you want at the Harbor Freight sale this weekend. And we are Harbor Freight, Tools and Twisties, and we are out. Thanks for watching.